affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is one of the best ways to make money online. And actually, it's one of the easiest ways to make money online, and one of the fastest ways that you can get started with making money online. But with all that being said, I do think it's not for everybody, right? Because when you look at, affiliate marketing, everybody who promotes it, they do make it seem like it's for absolutely everybody, and that's not the case. Why? Because in my experience with dealing with people, I see so many times people like, yeah, they want to get an affiliate marketing course, or they want to promote something. And once they kind of realize like what it really takes to start making money with affiliate marketing, a lot of people, they quit, they fall off, and they do it so quick, it makes me be like, damn, you was never even halfway interested in affiliate marketing. Because affiliate marketing is not, it's not a 9-to-5 job. When you get involved with affiliate marketing, and I understand it, right? In most cases, you're gonna see big numbers. Anytime you see a course, right, or some sort of program, you're seeing big numbers. Learn how to make $500 a day, or $1,000 a week, and $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing. That draws people in, right? Who don't want to make $10,000? And then when you hear about affiliate marketing being like, work when you want, right? Do work from your laptop, blah 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 blah. The truth is, straight up, people are doing that. Like, people really are making a killing with affiliate marketing. But one thing that's kind of overlooked is the effort that really goes into it, and I won't call it a gamble, but there's no guarantee whenever you get an affiliate marketing program, no guarantee that you're going to make a lot of money. It's just how it is. But I do believe that those that are willing to really learn and put in a serious effort, right? A serious effort, and take it serious, they can make the $10,000 a month, $5,000 a month, or extra $500 a month, whatever it is. It's very possible because people are doing it. And one thing I always say about affiliate marketing is, because of the fact that it's so easy to get into, right? It brings a lot of people into it, but it's just as easy for people to quit, because a lot of times you can sign up for free affiliate programs, or an inexpensive course, right? And you can be like, oh, it didn't work, I tried it for a month, oh, it was only $50 I lost, or it was no investment, I'm good. And then these same people are like, man, affiliate marketing, that's whack, network marketing is trash, blah 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 blah. You can't make money with that, because you have to put in the effort. There's no way around it, right? So affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is not for everybody. It's for those who really take it serious. They really, have this determination, right, to be successful. They have the willingness and the discipline to set aside time to build up whatever it is they're promoting or whatever they're doing. They have that discipline to work on their affiliate marketing business, right? And a lot of people don't have that. It's just a fact. You know what I'm saying? If you're watching the video, maybe you got it, maybe you don't. But like, it's really up to you. But if you're not the type of person, straight up, who can be self-disciplined into, really grinding and learning, if that's not you, it's all good. You don't have to do affiliate marketing, network marketing, or any of that other stuff where you're in control. But just remember, when you're in a situation where you're the boss, you're in control, remember, you're responsible for creating your income. Just remember that.